Hello everyone, welcome to a special episode of Art Whisper 88. My order of a large format jelly plate just arrived, and I'd like to show you what it looks like when it comes in the mail. I had already opened this part, and it comes with a lot of this packing material that's filled with air. I do save this when I mail certain things. And this is from Blick Art Materials. So unlike the smaller versions of the gel plate, this doesn't come in a clamshell plastic package. It just comes in this cardboard container. So let me just get this box out of the way. Which gets recycled, by the way. Here's the old one. And here is, it says here, gel printing plate 16-inch by 20-inch. And it gives you the dimensions in centimeters. It says for mono printing without a press. So here's a sheet of instructions in different languages. It says here, we recommend acrylic paints or water-soluble oil paints. Some rubber stamp inks and various dyes can stain the plate. The stains will not affect printing. And then here, clean acrylic paints with mild soap and water, a hand sanitizer or baby wipes. Okay, so I've been right all along using mild soapy water and baby oil. Okay, so this is the instruction sheet for care and maintenance of your gel plate. And it comes with this board. It's like a poster board. This is going to be very handy. So I'm going to save that. Oh, this is a beauty. And it's a little different from my old one because the edges are rounded, and it comes with 2 sheets of acetate, which of course I'm going to save and use as my guides for my stencils. Okay, so Here is I just want to show you the surface of the gel plate when it's in pristine condition. This is like never been used, straight from the factory. It has a mirror finish, beautifully manufactured. And I can't wait to use it. Now my plan originally was to, since I already have one, I was going to abut 2 large gel plates to make a giant print and see how that works out. So anyway, this is a brand new 16-inch by 20-inch gel plate, and can't wait to use it. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I hope to see you next time.